Hi everyone, my name is Holly Stignetti, and are you ready to learn how to make a Dream Whip chocolate pie? Have you ever sat there and wondered, how do I make my pie big and fluffy? Not just that typical flat, consistent chocolate pie? Well, if you were, now you're going to know how to do it. A little before I get into teaching you guys how to make the pie, I want to let you know why this pie means so much to me. My mom made this pie as long as I can remember for every Thanksgiving for dessert. It was my favorite. Well, unfortunately, one Thanksgiving, she forgot to make it. This was about 3 to 4 years ago. And I was so upset because this is what made my Thanksgiving special to me. So she felt horrible. Then she made it the next day for me instead. It just didn't taste the same. And I think it was because it was made out of guilt. But now she makes it every year and she doesn't forget. And then also, this year was my son's first Thanksgiving. And I gotta say, I think this was one of his favorites also. So hopefully the tradition will carry on. Now, to get back to the pie, I would like to start with what you will need. You will need to buy a Dream Whip topping mix. It comes with 2 envelopes, 2 chocolate instant puddings, 3.9 ounces, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and you'll need 2 3/4 cups of milk. The utensils that you're going to need is a bowl, a measuring cup, the 4th measuring cup, and then a teaspoon. With a spoon, I like to use the one with the flat edges. It's easier for me to use. And then a hand mixer, which mine comes with different settings. Typically, I know people who use these, it works just perfectly fine. But for me, I think I like this the best. To me, it makes it more fluffier. So, in order to start to make this, I would recommend to wash your hands with any type of baking or cooking, just because you don't want to spread those germs that were on your hands previously, which I already did this before I started the video. What you're going to need to do first is pour the 2 envelopes that came in the Dream Whip topping box into the bowl, and then 1 cup of milk, and then your vanilla, which is the 1 teaspoon. You're going to beat this on high for approximately 6 minutes or until it forms a soft peak. This step adds air, making your pie that fluffy baked texture. Once the peak is formed, you're going to add the remaining of the milk, which is 1 cup and then 3/4. And then you're going to add both pudding dry mixes into the mixture. You're going to beat this on low until it's all blended. Once it's all blended, you're going to beat it on high for 2 minutes. This is what makes your pie into that chocolate flavor. Now it's time to get your spoon and spoon it into your pie crust, which, since I've already made it, I use the chocolate flavored crust. That's my favorite, but you could also get the graham cracker, or if you wanted to, you could even make your own crust, homemade crust, whatever you prefer. For the best tasting results, you're going to have to refrigerate it for 4 hours or until it's firm. I mean, you can eat it right afterwards, but I like the best once it's cold, really cold and firm. Now I'll show you what the pie looks like that I've already made, which is right here. Oops. And and you can see that it's a little more fluffier, and it has that more whippy taste instead of just that flat consistency pudding. Now I would like to all thank you for letting me show you how to make this pie. And I hope you all will try and enjoy it as much as I do. If you ever need the directions, you can find it on the Dreamwit box on the back. So like I said, thank you all again for watching, and I can't wait to see what you guys all have to teach me. Now I'm going to go enjoy this chocolate pie with my son Landon for his first birthday, which is today, since he loves it so much. Thank you again.